Aloha and welcome to Hawaii Now. Although right now we are not in Hawaii. We are miles away and miles high above the beautiful Napa Valley.
People will discover what it feels like to float through the air. Here's an opportunity to experience what it felt like when man first flew. We don't steer, we maneuver. I'm Michael Akins. I'm a balloon pilot with Napa Valley Balloons. Our balloon company has several different operations in different areas. We actually have over 20 hot air balloons. The early morning provides the safest time of day to fly hot air balloons. Pilots are checking weather early, talking to each other, driving around when necessary, trying to make weather decisions about where the best place is to fly each and every day. We're sunrise flights only. Our sea breeze here doesn't die down in the evenings, so we're not able to fly evening flights. The things that prevent us from flying are high winds, low clouds, or poor visibilities. Balloons are unusual aircraft in the fact that they're not steerable. So the real skill that the balloon pilot learns, especially when they're in a certain area, is the climate, the atmosphere, what the winds do. Because after we take off, we watch what the winds are doing and then make a decision on where we're trying to fly to. I like to use the term we maneuver. We change altitude to get into the winds to get us to the good, safe landing spots.
This is so amazing and so breathtaking.
People are always surprised. It's not cold, it's not windy, and there's no physical sensation while we're flying. When the weather's good here, the valley's filled with vineyards, grapes. It's a small, narrow valley, so you see the mountains on both sides, and it's just an amazing place scenically. Right now, the early summer, the vineyards are all lush and green. In the fall time, you're going to get the fall colors. When we get back to the winery, we have breakfast, mimosas, sparkling wine for everybody. It's a great celebration and a fun time.
Yeah. What an incredible experience, guys. If you're ever in wine country, make sure you check out Napa Valley Balloons. We'll have this posted on HiNowDaily.com.
This segment is sponsored by Alaska Airlines.